Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how our incredibly exciting product works. It's called the Self-Service Kiosk. Imagine a customer walking up to your register and not distracting the cashier at all. They interact with the system on their own, collect stamps, or redeem coupons. All of this is possible because a regular tablet is installed right next to the checkout, facing the customer. It displays bright animated visuals, grabs your guest's attention, and basically works as your best free promoter for the loyalty program. It works in a way that is both incredibly simple and engaging. The customer taps the Scan My Card button on the tablet screen, pulls out their digital Apple or Google Wallet loyalty card, and holds it up to the camera. The stamp is credited instantly, and if the customer has earned a reward at that moment, they simply notify the cashier. The cashier sees the issued gift on the screen and easily redeems it in the Poster system, keeping your register balances and inventory perfectly aligned. What is important to know about how the kiosk operates? You can issue and display completely different types of rewards through it. An instant reward, which is issued by the cashier right then and there, for example, a free coffee or dessert. Digital vouchers, which the buyer can collect and activate whenever it's convenient. The customer redeems such a voucher at the kiosk on their own, shows the confirmation screen to the cashier, and the cashier simply logs it in Poster. A really cool feature, for vouchers you can optionally use unique parameters called redeem codes. You can pre-configure it with a promotional item or discount code that already exists in your Poster system. The moment the customer redeems the voucher, the seller sees this ready-to-go code on the screen and processes the reward in the register using that exact code without a second thought. This completely eliminates any staff errors. The lottery mechanic also looks incredibly aesthetic and exciting. When a buyer reaches a specific stamp goal, an interactive Wheel of Fortune appears on the kiosk screen. The customer spins it on the tablet themselves and wins prizes instantly, and as a win, they receive the same rewards, either instant gifts or new high-value coupons and vouchers. The self-service kiosk from 7Stamp is the perfect way to reduce lines, engage guests in a fun game, and elevate the service level at your establishment. See you in the next videos.